Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to change the region on TikTok app. So I have to disappoint you because I have to say that there is no way possible to do it from the app. There is, however, a way to almost change it. When I say almost, you're gonna understand in a few seconds why. But first thing, you will need to go to the Play Store and launch an ExpressVPN or any other VPN application you have. And then you're gonna connect to wherever you like in the world. And then hopefully, but just hopefully, you can keep refreshing this until you get the region you like. So yeah, it maybe take a couple of days for the TikTok to get used to it, but it is possible. So yeah, hope this helps and subscribe for more useful tips.